Hello from HealthSpring, and welcome to Benefit Tips with Dr. T. I'm Dr. Grant Tarbox, here with a few tips to help you make the most of your plan's dental HMO benefits. Healthy smiles are part of healthy bodies, and being a true health partner means helping you get the right dental care. Your plan may include routine preventive care like exams and cleanings. Most plans cover fillings, root canals, and more, and some services may have copays.
Hi, Dr. T. Any tips to find a good dentist nearby?
Thanks for the question. You'll need to choose from our growing dental HMO network. Every one of our licensed dentists is committed to quality care.
Sounds like there's lots to smile about. I'll check it out.
There sure is. Call the number on your member ID card to learn more. And if you need to brush up on what your plan covers, review the Dental Care Plan Guide in your welcome kit or renewal mailing. At HealthSpring, we're here to support your health and vitality at every step. Visit healthspring.com/resources to learn more, and check out the rest of our benefit videos for more healthy tips.